Welcome to another Therapy Garden at Home craft session. This week we're going to be looking at nature painting. We're hoping that with the weather being warmer, you're all enjoying getting outdoors a little bit, maybe into your garden, maybe for a walk. And for this activity it'd be great if you could collect up some different colour pieces of flower and foliage for this activity. Now I'm very lucky because I'm here in the garden, so I've got all kinds of things coming. I've got some primroses, some irises. You've probably seen crocus around growing and some daffodils. I've collected some grass, just simple grass from the lawn. Some leaves, some chamomile leaves. You might have one or two spare from the plants you've been growing. I've got some eucalyptus here, which smells nice. Some lavender and some pieces of hebe. Okay, the benefit of using herb leaves is that they'll also smell nice on your card once you've finished. And what we're hoping to create from these is a card with an image on the front, made from flowers and things you find in the garden. I made a smaller one there, it's not quite so attractive. So in your box you would have had a piece or two of folded card and a couple of pieces of paper, and the paper's there to practice on before you do your final card design, if you want to. You'll also find a spoon very useful for this, to squash the plants with. So if you take your card and your leaves you've found and flowers you've found, and you lay them out onto the paper in a design you like. And you can tear them apart. So I'm going to use this tete-a-tete as a sun. And in the crocus they've got these lovely stamen, lovely orange covered with pollen there, so that's a nice bright piece of colour. You can take those out if you want to. And as you lay them out, just use the back of your spoon to crush them. So can you see the colour comes out onto the paper? And this is like a gentler version of the hapazome that we do quite a lot with the mallets and hammers. This one's a lot more peaceful. I'm going to use the blue to create a feeling of sky. Leaves, some foliage on. Do it in any design you like. I'm just trying to create a little picture with flowers and a sunshiny sky, but do anything you like, just arrange them pretty in any way you want. primrose. If you find they're sticking to the spoon too much, you can use a piece of your paper as a backing, and then just rub it. You can see you get the imprint. Yeah, add some grass to them. You see you get like little blades of grass come out. Smells lovely. That's a springtime smell, isn't it? I'm going to try a crocus with the stamen left in the middle, the anthers and stamen left in the middle. So I've just peeled off a petal and just laying that on there. Get hints of yellow in there as well, you see. And when you've finished, you leave it to dry. Blowing away. Leave it to dry, and then you've got yourself a card. Obviously mine's not finished, but I'm sure yours will be beautiful. And then you can use that. You can give it to someone, or you can keep it for yourself. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.